now it's stuck for now. See, this washer was loose in here, so the Loctites help holding it. You can see where I got these different peen marks going on there. So I'm going to put another peen mark over here. Just kind of going in a circle basically, put a bunch of peen marks in it. When you get a washer that's loose, you want to make sure you got equal compression in a lot of places, so you go pretty much all the way the whole circle around.
Spanning the whole thing.
Yeah. I said Harley only uses 4. 6 is usually enough if it's pressed in, but when they're loose it ain't pressed. This tool is nice because it holds it exactly on the center line. We want to peen it. You see all the peen marks are right where they need to be, all the way around. So that's now stuck in there pretty good. And like I said, the Loctite's also holding it too. So you got pressing and holding. Oh, what happened over here? You fucking got a rat in here eating on that thing?
Must be. It was hungry.
Yeah. Going for it. There's one down. So see, this one's got the same issue. See all that clearance?
There's lots of clearance there.
Yeah. That's what we're fighting. So obviously there's a difference in manufacturing going on here. Let's see, I used to have another brand of washer. Maybe they got bigger diameter, who knows. Here's the other brand I had. Probably the same part, but different supplier. Looks like it might be a little bigger diameter. At least it's going in tighter. We'll use this one on this side. Getting parts that are made right is harder and harder every year. 8 thou difference. Alright, so we'll try this one. Now this one has the made in China or Taiwan sticker on it. You want me to leave that on there for you, or? Taiwan. Maybe the other one's made in China. Or it's American. You never know. So now you got this crap all over you to deal with. That's why I don't like this brand. You gotta do more work. So these are the ones that have been a lot available forever. I think these are back on I think I bought these back in like 04, 03. What year is this? These ones are newer. These are probably only had these for about 6 years, maybe 8. Okay, same thing. Loctite. Loctite's always the key. So the other way of doing it is I'll put in a hydraulic press with a socket, and you take a dull punch and you beat it on the outside. You have to hold it where you want it.
Right.
This tool made it a lot easier. The only problem it works on this side washer though. Other washers have different sizes for the bikes. Okay, this one See, it goes in tighter. So it has to press down. Then you peen the piss out of it. Always hit it twice. So this one's in a nice and clean now. So see how this one is here? Just grab the camera. It's easier. So I painted here, here, here. This one went on top of the Harley one. Harley's there, I'm over here. This isn't doing anything. So I did here, 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 here. So I'm gonna turn it 90. I'm gonna turn it over, get the spot right here, so I get all the way around.
Yep.
So I'm gonna turn it over to that area. Paint it again. That way the gap isn't this far between pins. You got every other hole. More equal holding is always better. I got nice equal spacing all the way around now.
Mm-hmm.
Held in real nice and good. That's what we want. That will do it. If you got any excess Loctite on there like that, just wipe it off. Okay, now we're ready for next stage. What's that?
Now we're gonna balance it, right?
Yep. That'll be it. Alright, leave back. Here's the weight I use. This is the boat anchor I use when I got heavy ass parts, like S&S pistons, and S&S rods or Ultima rods. This is my normal weight I use. So this weight with the lighter piston will raise the RPM up, so at a higher RPM motor it will shake less at higher RPM. It'll shake a little more downstairs though. Rusty pin out of something. Go like that weight. Then I had this other one which is really a heavy one. This is for Corolla rods and boat anchor pistons. That's what this one's for. We can also do lightweight ones. This is one I use on my KR. So it's just a matter of how many grams you want to pull out. So if you want to drive like an old fart and I'll loaf along at lower RPM, we can take out the weight and make it lighter. See that's lighter. That's weight. That's how you do it. It's going to shake. It's just a matter of what RPM it's going to shake. So this one here is 1201.5. This one's 1230. So do you want a nice low RPM weight, or do you want a fun weight?
Fun weight, of course.
Fun weight? You want to rev it up like an FXR should be?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. You don't want the touring turd weight. How about the single cylinder weight? It's a little lighter. Then we got the twin cam weight. Big one. See, it's steel, not lead. So
Yeah.
it's not much heavy. It's a little bit heavier than that one, but not much. Lots of different ones. Alright, so the way this works is it's called static balancing. You usually put a weight on the flywheel. And when it quits moving, it's balanced. Pretty simple, huh? That goes in there like that. You press it in there and it stays put because it's on a taper. This one here, you got to figure out what size it is. That's the right one right there. See, that one doesn't work very well. Official tool here. Special balancing tool. Alright, that goes on there. Center it up. Press it in. 2 tons. Tight. Okay, it's balanced. You ready?
We're done.
How close is it? Watch some of my other videos, I show how to figure out all these weights. We're not doing that on this bike. We're just going to go for it. Somebody put these damn heads in my way again. Why'd you do that? This nice adjustable table over here for holding them. So that works.
Oh, that's very nice.
Let me slide it on the floor. There you go. Hold on to that. You get these off eBay for about $600 to $100 to $1,000 bucks. A pair of them. These are on bearings, so they're low drag. They still have drag though. Perfect. It's not moving hardly at all. What do you think?
Means it's really heavy down here.
Exactly. About that much.
Really heavy. Holy shit.
How heavy is it? Pretty heavy tapping.
She's heavy for sure.
Not that much. Fear of interruptions again.
We'll be back.
More than that bolt.